In this box, we have the brand new Canon RF 16mm F2.8. I pre-ordered it and it only cost me $299. To some of you that's expensive, but if you've been looking for an ultra wide angle that's F2.8, $299, that's a good deal. Let me finish this. I'm so sorry about that. That probably sounded really nasty. But let's unbox it. I just received it today. Not even like an hour ago. And so I'm just gonna do a very, very quick unboxing and let's see how it looks. So I pre-ordered it from B&H Photo. Literally the first day that it came out, or the minute that it was announced, I figured I could be one of the first persons to make a review, and that could help this channel. And $299, it might be actually something that I could use and replace this lens that I'm using. Alright, so here it is, the Canon RF 16mm F2.8. It's native to RF. Look at how tiny this box is. Let's open it up real quick. Warranty card and manual packed with this. Oh my oh my gosh, bro. Dude, it's crazy how small this is. I mean, look at that, brother. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny, my guys. So I had the 50mm, and this kind of feels and looks almost exactly identical to that. I'm pretty sure it looks pretty much the same as that one. Alright, so here I have the Canon R6, and this is the lens. I'm just gonna mount it just so I could show you how tiny this thing is. And oh my gosh, dude, that is tiny. That is tiny. That's a good size. Now let's open it up real quick. Oh, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Oh. Isn't that tiny? Oh my gosh. This is gonna be, I feel like this is gonna be the ultimate vlogging lens. For $299 on a full frame body. That's really good. And this size, the size, even if I had to pay like $499, I feel like people are gonna be buying this. I feel like this is gonna be a little bit too repetitive, but I have here the Sigma 50mm f1.4 with the Canon adapter, and this is my favorite lens. Obviously for a good reason, but I just love 50mm. But I mean, look at the size of that, bro. Oh my gosh. This lens is gonna be perfect for those vloggers out there, content creation and stuff like that. You're gonna be stuck at 16mm, just take note of that. But in these newer Canon R cameras, you can always hop onto APS-C mode and you essentially get 24mm and 16mm at f2.8, and those are the two main focal lengths that content creators or like bloggers or anyone who's doing that, yeah, so this is gonna be perfect for those. Currently, we're shooting on the Canon RF 15-35, and I've tried vlogging with it, but I never uploaded it. But if I were to vlog, this kind of gets in the way because it's such a huge camera, and with this very large lens, it becomes a little bit too heavy, and it almost always requires you to bring a gorilla pod. So I feel like this is gonna make you a little bit more excited about going out and carrying a big camera, a big mirrorless camera. So this is gonna be perfect for those vloggers. I'm gonna be doing a more in-depth test on this. For now, let's do a vlogging test because we've been talking about it, and why not just try it out? Oof, by the way, I feel like this is a perfect segment and perfect time to do this. Deity sent me two of their mics, the V-Mic D4 Duo and V-Mic D4 Mini, and I feel like with the Mini or the V-Mic D4 Duo, those are going to be a very popular mics to go along with this 16mm like tiny lens. Those are perfect for like running on like just vlogging, content creation stuff. Of course, we also have the Rode Video Micro, so I'm gonna be testing it out, and I'm gonna pop on this D4 Mini with it. I hope you enjoy these vlogs. Today is gonna make it kinda okay. Yeah.
Alright, so this is actually perfect because I was trying to figure it out. I was trying to figure out like what to do for this vlogging test, and my girlfriend asked me to take her to Dollar Tree. You know, you gotta stay stay financially financed. This is what it looks like. This is the Canon RF 16mm F2.8. And how is it tracking my eye? Autofocus looks pretty good, even with the mask on. Actually, I'm not even gonna lie. It's it's keeping track of my face even with my mask on. So it's pretty good. I mean, that's not a surprise, right? So this is what it looks like. How is it wobbling? I feel like you're gonna be able to see it with these lines in the back. How is it wobbling? I'm trying to shake it a little bit, take forward steps, taking a few steps just to exaggerate that wobbling effect, you know. I'm just hand holding this by the body, and it's so light. It's light, game changer actually. I'm not even shy to vlog because the camera is so small and tiny, and it's not hurting my arm. I'm scrawny like that, you know. But how does it look? How do you guys like the look of it? 16mm Canon RF, and this is perfect. And this sound is coming out of the Deity V Mic D4 Mini. How do you guys like this? I'm gonna make a review of this again. Honestly, I feel like this is gonna be the new vlogging lens. The only caveat would be that you cannot do any like pop zoom and stuff like that. But here, this is how it looks. I'm 5'10", and this is with my arms all the way stretched all the way out. And this is like the more comfortable spot to vlog with. And it looks pretty good, I'm not even gonna lie. Especially, of course, this is not gonna be the sharpest lens that you could use for these R system cameras, but for general purpose vlogging, and like, this looks amazing. It feels amazing. It's most especially. Only thing is you can't really pop zoom and stuff, you know. Alright, so I was trying to find my girlfriend. Alright, here she is. Dollar Tree, brother.
What's up?
What are you getting? Oh my.
I don't know. What are you?
Okay. I'm testing this new lens. I spent some money again.
Huh?
I bought this new lens.
For how much?
Alright, so I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this first impression unboxing and like very rough testing of the Canon RF 16mm F2.8 STM lens. $299. It's a really good buy. Everything is going to be linked down in the description, including the mics and the camera that I'm using. Feel free to check them out, and I'm going to be making a more in-depth review and maybe even compare it to the Canon RF 15 to 35 f2.8, which costs 8 times more than this lens, and it's practically the same virtually as what they call it in the commercial world, you know what I'm saying? All right, thank you so much. Let's get better together. Peace. Ooh, baby, a lot the way. That's good. I'm trying to eat healthy, or I mean healthier. This is one step closer to that. It's raining right now in California. That's why I have this, because you can't really see it. But yeah, that's it.